The problem everybody has is they're very insecure. Nobody wants an outsider. Everybody thinks somebody will come and take what they have. And that's the reason why people don't want people coming in, and that's the reason why people blocked people out. Outsiders are not welcome. And I studied at Hansraj College, Delhi. I did my graduation and I had no idea I wanted to be in movies. And that was back in 1992. 1992, I had no idea I will go and join the movies. It was the gap year that I took in 1993 that I discovered theatre and I discovered cinema. And for the first time I realized this is what I wanted to do. And I was studying to be a scientist before that. And we did not have as many options as you have today. My father is an engineer in a small town and he had dreams from me and he was like, ये मेरा बेटा कुछ करेगा और इसको फिल्म में जाना है. I went to Bombay and I went to Bombay with a bag full of books and clothes and I knew nothing and I knew nobody. I decided in the next moment I was in Bombay. And when I reached Bombay, I realized 1993, I remember 3rd of June, I reached Bombay. It was raining. The rains that did not stop for 3 months. I had no idea. In Bombay, rains could go on for so long. So I reached Bombay and the only place I knew was Prithvi Theatre. And I went to Prithvi Theatre. And there at Prithvi Theatre, everything was very controlled. There are a lot of people who go to Bombay to become actors. There are a lot of people who go to Bombay to do things. And everybody goes to Prithvi Theatre. In those times, they used to go to Prithvi Theatre. And it would get so crowded, so they made a rule that anybody who's not performing or is not part of it is not allowed in. So people would hang outside. That was also the time when there were no studios. Cinema was controlled mostly by a few film families. And if you're not one of the film families, you could not get in. I walked up to the cafe owner and said, I'm educated, I'm a graduate, and I want to work for you as a waiter. And he said, why would you want? Because we don't have a vacancy. I said, I'll work for free. And he said, but why would you work for free? I said, I'll work for free. Lunchtime, I'll serve. Dinner, you let me be. I can at least get into Prithvi. And I talked to him. And he liked talking to me and he allowed me to do that. On the very 3rd day, I served a classmate of mine. So I started working at Prithvi. I got into Prithvi, and slowly when I got into Prithvi, I realized I have to move faster and faster in life. And there was people who do rehearsals there. I would go and volunteer to read for anyone and anybody. So there were always readings going on, and there would always be a need for someone to do reading who would not expect much. They don't allow people because they think, वो आएगा फिर role मांगेगा फिर कुछ करेगा. So I started doing everything. I would sweep the stage. I started reading for people. I would write very fast. My biggest skill was I could write a lot of pages a day. Then I could write 100 pages a day with hand. But now I can't. So I could write so much, I started writing stuff for free. I started doing that and I became that guy who, यार वो लड़का है वो तुरंत लिख के देता है ना पैसे मांगता है ना नाम मांगता है. So that is how it went on for more than a year and a half. And slowly people started giving you money. Slowly what happens, I never asked for it. People started giving me money. Then somebody gave me a credit. Then somebody stood up for me. And then finally I met a guy who gave me the credit for the entire film which I wrote, which was Satya. So, it was a journey of 4-5 years.